a real poison dart. Can't trust no shadow after dark. Cause some of them don't have no one.
What's up, my kings and queens? It's your girl Ali Bless, and I'm back with another video. No, I had another video that I should have uploaded, but I had to come and just share this with you guys. I'm asking you all to keep Jamaica in your prayers, especially my supporters that are overseas. A lot of things has been happening. The heavy rain from the storm, and we don't even get the storm, we're just getting the rain, and the roads are collapsing. All kind of mayhem. In this video you're gonna see different places that have been flooded out. Garden Town especially, where the road collapsed. Also at the end you will see a video of tragic accident. 4 persons died in the crash, in the fire, in the blaze. Guys, just pray for Jamaica. Be safe. I'm also going to share a photo of the roads that are cut off, I think especially in the Kingston and St. Andrew area. So guys, just check out the video, like, share, subscribe.
Alright folks, this is happening right now as I speak. This is above the breakaway that we had on the Garntown Road yesterday, the land slippage that we had on the Garntown Road. But this is nearer to Garntown Square. The road is totally out of place now. As you can see, this is called Stand Up Hill.
Blaze fireball!
It's just right above Industrial Village. This is the road. This is the road. This is what is currently happening. Right? This is the main road that takes you to Mavis Bank and Gordon Town and all the way in the hills. This is what is happening now. This is crucial. Only walk foot can pass here. Oh my God, this is terrible. This is what is happening now. That's the Hope River. This is devastating. This is frightening. The road is totally off.
That boy on the surf, man. Charlie light post gone. All the blood that light post.
No road, no pier, brother.
Baba, dog, go over there, man. Go down there, you know. You're fuck.
This is judgment now. All of them people that were there, so why them not move? Why them not move?
This is very urgent in Garden Town. The main road in Garden Town is gone. Look at it. The main road is gone. The main road in Garden Town is gone completely at this moment. Everything is gone. It's just a walking track they leave on the main road. We need National Work Agency emergency. We need Miss Wholeness. We need the Prime Minister. The main road in Garden Town has gone. To the river.
Well, this is Mount Charles. This is Fall River. Yeah, it's getting on. It's getting on. Yeah, Fall River. Remember Fall River? Yes, a Fall River this. Oh yes. This is Fall River in Mount Charles Square. Site of one, you know? Yeah, Milk River. Site of one.
The same gun in the other wall and they move
This is Gilson Street at the prime. Everything alright about Gilson Street. This is Gilson Street. And we are watching the rain. And this is back at Gilson Street. Gilson Street River. Jesus. Yeah. And if you plan to sing, you can soon go down. Jesus. Yeah, I understand they don't like it. They don't like it. Alright.
When water come through my house, the water come through feed all store.
Yeah. So it go to vote for Labour.
No, sir. Oh, we are going yard.
I saw the water go run our house.
It's not stop now, you know.
This is in the vicinity of 9 Mile Bullsby Beach Road. And this is coming from the main road. This is coming from the main road. So all who live in Beach Road is currently trapped right now. Anybody should get sick or any emergency, a helicopter to come here lift you. Nobody can move out of Beach Road right now.
Jesus Christ, yo, Queens Road, yo, this is just happened a while ago. Nobody, see Mercedes driver there, nobody no come out of the other car. So while we night they burn up. Just happened a while ago to Rotted, yeah. Shit. All who inside of the car over there burn up.